Hi there, it's Jewel. Hope you are having a great week and you are gearing up for a wonderful holiday season. I am certainly ready for the holidays. You can see I'm wearing my red, which happens to be my favorite color. And I'm excited about the rest of the year as well as the new year. But I am also, probably like many of you, I am working on projects and getting ready to help my clients get their properties ready for sale. And so, one of the things that I've been hearing about is that a lot of sellers are interested in listing their properties in the spring. And so, the question comes up, well, do I just, we just have time? What do we do during this time? And so, I like to think of this time as one of the best times to really get the apartments ready prior to any staging coming in. And so this is the phase that I call the pre-staging phase, right? And so a lot of times we think that we have more time than we do, but time can fly by very quickly. And one of the things that you'll find is that unless the property is a brand new development, you will likely have some repairs or updates that you'll have to get done prior to us bringing in any staging or furniture and things like that. And so my recommendation of things that you can do right now and utilize this winter season in the most effective way is to start to make a list of repairs or updates that need to be done. So whether it's you or the seller, but it's important that this get done as early as possible because number one, you never know how long it's going to take to get something repaired, right? Sometimes parts are not available, they're on back order. I had this happen recently with a renovation I was working on where there was a particular plumbing part that took over a month to come into stock in order for us to finish renovating this bathroom. And so back orders are a real thing and it's something that comes up. And so one of the things I would hate to see you do is to wait till a week or two before you're ready to put the property on the market. And then you call me and say, oh, we need to get these things fixed. And then something is on back order and we can't get it done. And that delays you getting on the market. So making a list of the repairs that are needed up front is key. And any updates that you need are key. Number two, I also want you to consider that contractors can get busy, and once their schedule fills up, it can be very difficult to get someone in the timeline that you have. And so, the more time you have before you're ready to list on the market, the better. And you can get the contractors in and get them working and get it done. So, you're not waiting on contractors' calendars to open up so you can get your property on the market. The other piece is that paperwork and coordinating insurance for all these vendors and all these contractors actually can take a lot of time. And so it's important to not underestimate that piece of the puzzle as well. And so those are all the things that we certainly help our clients with, and we'll take care of that for them. But it can be time consuming. And so not every management company is responsive, as you know. And between waiting for paperwork from contractors and getting it to the managements and getting approvals, those things all take time. And so I think it's very important to utilize this time now to take care of those to dos as early on as possible. And so for me, I think the pre staging phase is one of the most important phases that a lot of times gets overlooked and underestimated when it comes to staging. So unless your property is already shining brand new, I implore you to certainly talk to your sellers about starting this process sooner rather than later. So if you have a property that is in need of any repairs or updates prior to staging, such as painting, flooring, new fixtures, whatever it might be, absolutely please give me a call. I'd love to help. And I look forward to hearing from you and have a wonderful holiday season.